In this video, I will show you how to turn your book into 45/7 traffic machine. Use AI Sales Rocket. Upload your book, PDF, docs, or any format. Click Generate Content. AI create a post, caption, and image. Contact your account on social media like Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Threads. Now click Publish. Done. Your content now is posting automatically every day. You set it one time and your book getting promoted forever. It because manual posting is slow and exhausting. AI sales rocket automatically plus consistent. If you want this setup, check AI sales rocket, the link in the description, and see you the next one.